friends, welcome back to our channel Arraysworld. So today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube 3x3 in beginner's method. So let's get into the video. So this is the Rubik's Cube that I was talking about, 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So this has 6 sides, which is 6 colors. The white's opposite side is yellow, orange opposite side is red, and blue's opposite side is green. So let's get a scramble it. That seems good. So I have scrambled this Rubik's Cube. So this is the middle piece. Every side has a middle piece which has colors which do not move, it's stationary. So this is called an edge piece which has 2 colors in them. They move wherever they want. And this is a corner piece which has 3 colors and they also move wherever they want. So first thing you have to do is, you can take any color which you want. So my personal preference is white. So I need to make a white cross. So to get that I should find edge pieces like this. See, this is an edge piece, white and red is already matched with the centerpiece of the red. So I have to just move this up, got it matched up, find another piece, orange and white, so it's already matched up. Let's take it up, we got a bar ourselves, and so see, when the edge piece is not matched with the centerpiece like this, we gotta find it out. So this is the blue, here's blue, white, here's white. So if the edge piece is here and the centerpiece is here of the color, you have to do is bring this up. It's matched. So this is matched. We gotta bring this here. Just take it up. So we have ourselves a gun shape type. So next edge piece, a red edge piece, take it up, and a green edge piece which is already lined up, take it up. So we got ourselves a cross, white cross. Now we gotta fix the corner pieces. So here's one corner piece. So we gotta match it up with the green and red, the white facing up. So what you gotta do is bring this down, right side, take it up and put it left side, bring this down, take left side, up. See, now we got ourselves matched. So we got our next corner piece, it's up here. So we gotta bring this down here, take this down, take that, take that up. So the green is here, orange is here. We gotta put this up here. So we gotta move left side. If it is, we gotta move left side, bring this down, take it up, and see, we got ourselves matched. The last corner piece is right here, matching orange and blue. So let's bring it here. I got it matched up. Take it left, bring this down, take it right, up. So we got all our corners solved. Next, we gotta solve these edge pieces, matching the colors. So if you have an edge piece stuck here, what you gotta do is bring this down, take it like this, take that up, then turn the cube facing this side, bring this left, bring this down, here, up. So we removed the edge piece from there, so we gotta match this up. So green, we should match it with green. Red is here, match it with red. So we gotta turn it left. If your color is orange, for example, you gotta turn it right. if your color is at left, you gotta turn it right. If your color is at right, you gotta turn it left. So my color is at right, so I gotta turn it left. Bring this down. Okay, match it up. So we got ourselves matched up. So bring this left, down, and up. We got ourselves the corner piece fixed. Next up, find another piece. So here's stuck one. Bring it down. Take it up. Gotta match it blue. Here's red. Matched it. If you want, you can pause the video and see it properly to understand it. Next up, again I have fixed stuck piece. So bring this down, left, bring that up, right, bring this down, fix it, take it up. So nothing is broken here. We got ourselves like this. It's already matched up. See, we just gotta fix it like this. See, for example, it should be fixed like this. Just we need to do with that, but matching here. So now see, my color is at left side, so I'm turning it right. Bring this down, left, bring that up, matched ourselves. Now turn the cube to orange. Bring the left, down, right, and up. So we got ourselves second layer done so soon. So let's move to the third layer. So simple to solve, but you gotta pause the video step by step. You have to practice, then move to the second step. So now we gotta fix a yellow cross. So if you don't have anything in the yellow, for example like this, only the centerpiece is there. So what you gotta do is make a gun shape. So I have a gun shape right here. So we gotta follow these algorithms to solve the yellow cross. Okay, so you should get the gun shape like this. You should not hold the gun shape like this, nor this, nor this. You should hold it like this. See, like that. So the algorithm is front, so we got ourselves a bar. Again, do the same thing, but the bar should be horizontal. So we got our cross solved. Next, we gotta fix these edge pieces according to their colors. So we have certain algorithms for it. First, let's see which and all will match. So orange, one more color should be matched actually. So I got the blue and the orange connected, but not the red and green. It come like this. So what you gotta do is, I have two sides solved, two unsolved. If you will get like this too, that one will be solved here and the opposite side will also be solved. So I got two sides each other solved, two one sides, and I gotta do the algorithm only at once. If you have it opposite side, you will gotta do it twice. So one color should be facing at left side, one opposite. The algorithm will goes like this. And that will connect all of the colors. Now you gotta fix the corner pieces and you will get your cube solved. So the algorithm goes like this: left, while doing that algorithm, I got one corner piece solved. You may get all of these solved, or you may get two solved. Then we have to do the algorithm. So I have one solved. Now I've got to do it once again. I got all of these solved. So there will be guys with only two solved and two unsolved. I'll show you that. So I'm saying those guys who have only 2 solved and 2 unsolved like this. Some may have the yellow facing here, some may have like me, yellow facing here and there. So what you gotta do is hold the cube like this, one facing to you, one facing other side. If you have the yellow facing here, the both should be facing that side. So I gotta do the algorithm twice because one is facing at me, one is the other side, and that another one which is facing both at the right side, gotta do only once. So the algorithm goes like this. Yeah, see, while doing that, I got the yellows facing right side. So I gotta do it once, and those who have already got the yellow facing right side, well done, you have your cube solved. So let's go again. And there you have it, your cube is solved. You can see this video once and again to practice yourselves, and there will be a lot more videos to show you. I have more cubes that you can learn, and I'll show you that in the later future videos. So I hope this video helped you guys to solve the Rubik's Cube. So next video I'm gonna upload mirror cube. I'll show you my mirror cube here. So this is a mirror cube which the shapes goes outside. See, it's a little rough because I got it 2 years back, but I know how to solve this. Okay then, see you in the next video. Next video will be about the mirror cube. So bye bye, take care and have a nice day. And don't forget one thing, that if you know how to solve a 3x3 in beginner's method, it will be easy for you to know how to solve a mirror cube. So you gotta see this one first, how to solve it, then you can solve this easily. So thank you and have a nice day. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.